Hi everybody, today I will show you how to create a photography gallery with Grid Gallery Addon and design portfolio. In this video, we are using elegant style uh, because it clean and simple. Okay, let's start. At first, we need to install Grid Gallery Addon. Go to Administrator, Component, Design Portfolio Plus, Add-on. Click to install. Now you will see Grid Gallery Addon. Click install now. Okay, back to add-on. Now we have to configure. In the basic configuration, you can configure maximum size, lightbox option, file type, and image size. In the front end option, you can see fish category configuration and article configuration. You can configure image size for fish, for category and article. In this add-on, we provide three styles. Three style grid masonry and horizontal masonry. With grid option, is grid option affect to grid and masonry type. Head option affect to grid and horizontal masonry type. Okay, let's try. Click save and go back to article. Click new an article or edit an article. You will see Grid Gallery tab and upload interface. Now you can load your image. Take a copy and wait. Okay, done. We add on. Choose the category, media type, choose Grid Gallery. Okay. This Grid Gallery. Yes. Grid save. Okay. Grid save. Close the portfolio page, and now you will see the new gallery here. Click to view the detail. Now you will see this masonry style. Click to an image. You will see the lightbox gallery. You can zoom in, zoom out, display slideshow and display in full screen. Let's try to change gallery type. Okay, to grid. You have to change with image. Oh no. Very cool, right? Okay, let's try with another type. It looks like flick. You can configure in article or global. Here. And you can configure in category 2. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching and see you later.